Now, what I'm speaking about is a new addressing layer. An addressing layer for the concepts, for the ideas. Not a web of data, but a web of metadata, or even more, a group of transformation of metadata. That's what I was speaking about at the beginning of my speech, if you remember. Because if you look at the URLs, very often the address itself has nothing to do with the contents. Okay? It is opaque. So we can imagine, I'm not speaking about suppressing, of course, the layer of the addressing the data. It's very good as it is. I am speaking about a new layer, a layer of the concept, where all the addresses will be variables of the same group of transformation. This means that you can imagine that every transformation of concept could be described as a computable function. It's very difficult to imagine. But this will lead the human collective intelligence very far, eventually. I will stop there. I will leave you with this thing very difficult to imagine, almost impossible. And I hope that you see the difference between this project or this vision and the vision of the Esperanto, for example. I'm speaking about a universal language, but not a universal language that will be spoken by people. Okay. I am speaking about a universal language for metadata on the internet that could be manipulated automatically by the computers. So it's something completely different. Okay? And the end user is not going to be forced to learn this system. You will interact with it with natural languages or with icons, or there will be interfaces. But there will be a layer to which there will be a correspondence between the concepts in natural languages and the ability to manipulate bits automatically. So today we have something like this, for example, for the images. You know, you use Photoshop, for example. It is because the shapes and the colors are coded by pixels that you can manipulate images with your computer. You can do almost everything you want with sounds or with music. It is because the sound is digitally coded that you can do it. You can say, but okay, but it's the same thing for the texts today. Yes, what you code digitally today is there is an A, there is a B, there is a T, and so on. It is a sequence of characters that is coded. It's not concepts. So think about the ability to code digitally concepts and to be able to represent by computable functions the transformation between concepts. Thank you.